Are you tired of facing visa rejections again and again? You apply with hope every time, but end up disappointed? Are you wrong documentation, incomplete files, or lack of proper guidance can turn your dream into frustration?
But now it's time for a change. With One Stop Tourism and Consultancy, we'll handle it. You get professional guidance, complete file preparation, and step-by-step support to maximize your chances of approval.
Okay.
Where there was rejection, now there is approval.
Where there was confusion, now there is clear direction.
Whether it's the UK, USA, Canada, Europe, or New Zealand,
Exactly.
your dream is no longer out of reach.
With the trust of thousands of satisfied clients, now it's your turn to create your own success story. So why wait?
Turn your visa rejection into approval.
With One Stop Tourism and Consultancy.